Let me give you a quick gist how the real estate play over a period of life cycle of any individual. So from the age of 18 to 25, an individual lives in a student housing. So at that point of time, the individual is paying the rent and he's using the student housing. Then he moves into a co-living when he starts his job and is at an early age of his job. He needs a space where he can stay individually and doesn't have to work much in the house. Then as the person gets married, he moves into a proper residential apartment or a house where they stay on a rent or buy a house. So this age moves from somewhere around 27 to 70. Then there's another category of independent living on a senior living residences which are coming into play right now and in fact are giving better ROI in comparison to the other housing opportunities in the market, and at the same time these are very practical living scenarios, and few of the developers are using this opportunity of a senior living residences. The developers like DLF and Max are bringing senior living residences in Gurgaon and Noida, which is becoming the future play of real estate, where an individual reaches an age of around 55 to 60. It doesn't have to be dependent on anyone, as the families right now are nuclear families and majority of the kids are moving outside and becoming NRIs. These housing become very important as the seniors get an environment where they can stay with the like-minded people and have an amenities according to their own age.